Welcome everyone. Welcome. How are you guys doing on this fine and beautiful day? Well, seems like we reached this level here. The 83.75 was it? Yeah, 83.75 reached that level. So this was I have a story for you guys for later. You wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it what I've gone through today. But still, it was an interesting day. It was a very interesting day, to say the least. Okay. Overall, everything is looking fine, by the way. So let me just check on some of the accounts. All right, so everything is fine. We're going into this 1 hour fair value gap. Let me write a text here. 1 hour fair value gap. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. All right. So that's what we're looking for. And what else? Yeah, news are gonna be out in just now, in a few seconds, actually 50 seconds. Which is going to be, yeah, ADP non-farm payroll exchange. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. This was, I mean, I lost a trade after this one. I mean, I couldn't enter this, then I lost this one, but I was pretty sure that we should be tagging the 83 later. But guys, I have a real big story for you about this. It was crazy. It's crazy what happened. Actually, my accounts switched places. I know it sounds weird, but I started to scalp and I broke all my rules, every single rule, guys. I'm up for the day, so across the evals, I'm actually up. But all right, news came out. Didn't really shook the market, but the future's gonna open soon. I think ES is gonna look for the 51.19 level, 51.18.75. That's kind of a level that I think it could be interesting. Otherwise, Nasdaq didn't really do anything special here. So let's just wait this one out. What else do we have? Okay, everything else is fine. So overall, everything is fine. We're doing okay. I was just so stressful, I ate a chocolate. Okay, let's see, what do we have? Okay. Everything is going great. News didn't really hit the things. Let's check gold, because gold is, I mean, I'm not trading gold, but gold is definitely going to react to this news. We have the all-time high. All-time high on the 4 hour. We should see it. That's it. That's the all-time high on gold. Buy side liquidity right up there. right up there at 21.46. COMEX is going to be open soon. Let's see. Nasdaq. Well, this is Nasdaq. Hey there. As far as I can tell, we gone into this fair value gap on the 1 hour chart. From the left, it's a 1 hour sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So if the sell-off is going to continue, we have some levels. Let me delete these lines. These are not important. So we have some levels. Down there we have the 18K. We have sell side liquidity at 17,942. And we have previous day low and a significant low at 17,825. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to see the same sell-off, but, you know, it's just interesting. So if they really want to sell it off from here, then we should be looking for shorts inside this 1 hour fair value gap. If we're going to trade through this, so if we're going to trade above the 18,131, then it is most likely that we should be looking for some new highs, which we should expect around 217. So if it breaks through this area. If you look to the left on the 15-minute, we have, well, nothing special on the 15-minute actually. Fair value gap, of course, as well, just as on the 1 hour. And what else? Well, nothing. It was interesting that yesterday, and I'm just showing this level, that yesterday, right after midnight, price immediately started to drop. So this point on Nasdaq, yesterday's midnight open, is quite an interesting level. So I would say we have a buy side right up there at the swing high at 18,217. So I will be looking for that. It all depends if we are going to trade through this fair value gap or not. So guys, it's up to you to decide to what to do. I mean, I don't have a short entry here. I was pretty much married to the idea that we should be trading into the gap, so that came through, and that's fine. Otherwise, we have to wait for futures open. We have to wait for the 9:30 open, and I'm open for suggestions for any kind of targets or what you guys are looking for. I hope I gave some bit of an information here. By the way, if you're new to the stream, please push the like button and subscribe. That helps me a lot. And thank you so much for the support. I am looking for this to actually decide to give me a proper short entry, or again, trade through this fair value gap. That means that I'm not really looking anything special in between 18,130 and 18,080. FX entropy, hi. I have a story for you. If you are curious what happened, I can show you. I was thinking about you a lot, actually, FX entropy. Not that way, but if you're curious what happened, I can show you right now. And the daily recap video is going to be very exciting, I promise you. So I was keep repeating myself that FX entropy always says to me to, you know, push it, full throttle, play my edge. That's what I should do, right? That's what I did. That's what I did. And are you curious what happened after I played out my edge? I can show you what happened after I played out my edge. I went all in. all in. I went all in. I got crazy because, a little bit intro, I wanted to see this reach 18,083. As you can see, it did. But first, I had a loss. Quite a huge loss. And then... Alright, I'm not gonna tease you more. Here's what happened. Here's what happened. What do you see on this account? This is my main BULENOX account. I went all in to play out my edge, to reach 18,083. And, you know, lost 1K on this account. I went down to my daily limit. Daily loss limit has been reached. So yeah. Daily, it's not funny actually. It's not funny. It's not funny. Oh man. So this is my main BULENOX account. I keep tracking this account every day. Are you curious what happened to the other accounts? Let me know if you are curious what happened to the rest of the accounts. I can show you actually, but only if you guys are curious what happened to the rest of the accounts. Do you guys want to see what happened to the rest of the accounts? Do you guys want me to show you? I went long, but I lost because I went with mini contracts. And if you guys want me, just text in if you want to see what happened to the rest of the accounts, because I was married to the idea that we should be reaching 18,083. If you don't want me to show it, I'm not going to show it. So until you say you want to see what happened with the rest of the accounts, I can show it to you. If not, then I'm not going to show it to you. Yep. You curious what happened to the rest of the accounts? All right, I'm gonna stretch it out because I don't want my name to be seen. Actually, I can show you the my funded futures account, but actually I can show you because I only have my real name displayed here. Oh, sorry. So I only have my real name displayed here. Okay. This is the My Funded Futures account. This is the My Funded Futures account. I'm up. I'm up $436 on the My Funded Futures account. This is the first Apex account. I am up $678 on the first Apex account. Today I started 51,142. Second Apex account started today from 255. I'm up to $50,883. So overall, I am up $628 across the evaluation accounts. And it was crazy. It's crazy. I can tell you guys how it happened. Today, yes, it's today. So today what happened, I just want to be transparent because I'm going to be doing a recap video. Watch it later this evening. After the New York session, I'm going to be uploading it, what happened in details. But so this account is my new Apex account. Started from today from $255. Right now I'm at 883. And the main Apex account started today 51 142 to 850. But and also the my funded futures account, which I'm tracking with you guys, up to 1,545. That's a $436. But my main account at BULENOX, that's what happened. That's what happened, guys. And if you ask me what happened, it was partially my fault and it was partially a technical issue. What can I say? Partially my fault and partially technical issue. And that's it. So the thing that happened, actually I cannot even trade the BULENOX account for today because I reached my daily loss limit. But the thing that happened, if you guys are curious, I can explain. So I'm up $628. So overall what happened is, when the stream ended, I wanted to see price reaching up to this level that we were talking about, the 18,084. So this was my main model here. I entered here. That was great. So I entered here, and of course it was a loss, which was okay. I said all right. But how do I put this in a simple way? I suffered the loss here, but I made a huge error on my end. When I entered here, I wanted to go in with two micro contracts, just to, you know, make a small profit here, just to, you know, go. Very nice, KC, congratulations. So I wanted to go in with two micros, but instead what happened, guess what? And that happened with me before. I was on my left screen, I was on the, not on the MNQ, but I was on the NQ tab. So it was already said that the trading tab was already opened up, and the chart was on the NQ, not on the MNQ, because they're right next to each other. So I set it up to 2 micros. I pushed the market buy. So I went in with 2 minis immediately. So that's how it started. That's how it started. And so I don't know what happened here because it's all blurry, but I closed down the trade with a huge loss. And sorry, I disabled the trade copier. And I thought that the BULENOX account was closed down, but it didn't close down the BULENOX account. So the BULENOX account reached the daily loss limit. And after that, my mind got loose. I was absolutely raging. I was hitting my trading desk right here. I was eating some chocolates. I was going like crazy. So what I did after that, I said, okay, I'm breaking my own rules. The BULENOX account is down. What I'm going to do, because I pretty much married to the idea, I want to see if we can get at least close to these levels. So after that, it was pretty simple. I was connecting with the trade copier, the Apex, and the My Funded Futures account, which is also in loss. But with the Apex account, I could go with more than two minis. So with the Apex account, I went with 3 minis. 3. That's how bad it was. By the way, news came out. And so I scalped my way back up. So that's how I ended up with minis. Scalping my way all the way back up. It was absolutely insane. Shouldn't have done that. It's not the way things are working. Shouldn't have done that, and it was a major error on my end by not really watching over. So I sit like this, there's a screen right here, and to the left is where I executed the trade, but I was on the left, I was on my NQ tab, not on the MNQ tab. And just I pushed 2 minis, and it immediately got against me, like boom. So guys, it was crazy. The funny thing is, by the way, it's really funny, by the way, if you think about it. Basically, the accounts actually switched places. That's what happened. The first place was the BULENOX account. Now the first place is basically the Apex account. I pulled up the My Funded Futures account and the second Apex account. And the BULENOX account is still pretty much in a good area. So I'm in a positive territory. So I'm almost at 51k with the BULENOX account. So basically, I didn't really lose anything at the end. They just switched places. That's what happened. Overall, I'm up net $628, and across the accounts, the goal is the same. Everything is the same. The first and the last accounts switch places. The BULENOX got to be the last one, and the Apex got to be the first one. In profit wise. So it was really crazy, but I had to go in with minis. So you're not the first one, Tom. I did the same mistake 2 or 3 times. In fact, when I lose internet somehow, trade weight will reset to initial charts, and default is minis, not micros. Oh yeah, and I did the same. Okay, good afternoon, Tom. I understand you 100%. I think this is the hardest job in the world. You need to have 100% control. I didn't have control, today. Marinda, thank you so much, but I did not have control. What I should have done by the book after this huge mistake, I should have stopped trading here, but I just couldn't. I couldn't stop, especially when I saw this. When I saw this move here, I tried to scalp. Boom, 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 boom. And I was not here when it actually hit the target, because I said, okay, if it starts to turn back around, I don't want to be there. I just want to make sure. So I went in with minis, and I pulled back the accounts into profit, actually, with minis. But guys, this was a huge clerical and mindset error on my side. That happens with the most experienced traders. Well, Casey, that doesn't really helps me. I mean, got burned 2 or 3 times. Now I check it. It happened only once before with me, like once. It was like 2 months ago or something, when I did the same error. I was pushing the NQ instead of MNQ, and it was because of I have a competition account for the minis open, and guys, all the feelings that went through my head, I said to myself, what the hell am I going to say on YouTube? How am I going to... I'm preaching about risk management. I'm preaching about reaching your goals with small steps, and today I messed everything up. And I think I can consider myself lucky. I'm actually lucky. I'm very, very, very lucky today. Very, very lucky. So you have to factor human error as part of... Yeah. Stop loss below New York open low. Oh yeah, so now we're gonna be... So look at the news. The news made a doji candle, actually wicked everyone, not really taking too much liquidity. By the way, what's the news? I don't even know. Powell is going to speak later. Oh yeah, this was the news. Okay, so not as good as they anticipated it. All right, not as good as they anticipated it. By the way, guess what movie I'm watching? You guys want me to show you? I'm watching The Rogue Trader. I'm watching Rogue Trader here. I'm actually almost at the end of the movie. It's on YouTube. I haven't even realized. But anyway. I was watching the Rogue Trader. But yeah, it's really crazy. I was watching the Rogue Trader while I was scalping my way back into profits with minis. I was watching the Rogue Trader in the background. I was like, come on. I could totally, felt what even McGregor felt in the movie. I mean, his character. Like, I knew it because you mentioned it earlier. Yeah, so I still haven't watched it till the end. As you can see, I'm almost finished with the movie. But yeah, I haven't seen this one. Quite interesting, though. But the guy is playing a very dangerous game on that brokerage firm. So, anyway, guys, push those likes. So I did a huge mistake. Huge. What's the movie average length? I can tell you. It's 1 hour 33 minutes. 1 hour. It's on YouTube, actually. I was surprised because I wanted to see a trailer. And I typed in Rogue Trailer movie or something. And the whole movie is on YouTube. I don't know if it's unlicensed or whatever. I just found it on YouTube. The movie is on YouTube. So I was watching that while I was digging myself out of the hole. Anyway, the BULENOX account for today is done. I'm left with 3 more accounts. I'm up, so I'm pretty happy. Actually, as I said, right now all that happened is the account switched places. So everything switched place, and that I'm happy for. I mean, what can I say? I'm actually the net of the accounts are looking way better right now than it was in the morning. Despite the fact that BULENOX is down, all the other accounts are up in a quite hefty profit for my standings or my standards. So I'm all right with that. White line in my chart. Which white line? This one up here, this gray area. This is just a cursor. Not sure which. So it's my fault, but not my fault. Actually, I wanted to. By the way, FX and Trophy. One thing for sure. I wanted to speed up. It's not your fault, of course. It's not your fault. I wanted to speed things up a little bit, so that's why I entered aggressively into this buy, which was based on my standard entry model. Eventually, I was right, but first it shook me off, and one thing came after the other. I messed up the entry, huge losses. BULENOX account broke down. I had to dig myself out of the hole, and I was lucky, but I was also focusing like real crazy on the minis. My finger was on the button all the time, trying to scalp it back. I said to myself, if I can at least the rest of the accounts, I can put it to break even, I will be fine. So I did that, and that's it. What can I say? Crazy. I have to watch out for this kind of error. I was lucky, guys. Whatever, I can say anything I want, but I was lucky today. Basically, I was lucky, despite the fact that the BULENOX account is down. I am lucky. I can consider myself lucky. What a day! The moving average. Sorry, no, the moving. Okay, so this is a moving average. I'm using 180 and a 34 moving average. It's not a golden rule to use this. I'm still playing with these numbers. So exponential moving average, by the way, EMA. And this one down here is Lux Algo Ultimate RSI. Nothing special, just basic settings. But yeah, just basic settings. Something happened to your account. Oh yeah, something happened to the account. Overall, I'm actually up, but I made a huge error when I was executing an order here. I was executing, instead of 2 micros, I entered with 2 minis into the account, and I lost it. And the BULENOX account is actually went down to its maximum daily loss limit. So I lost 1,100, a little bit over $1,100. But the Apex account, so I managed to scalp it back because the Apex account don't have a daily loss limit. The Apex account went up to profit, 51,820. The second Apex account went up to from 255 to 882, 83. The My Funded Futures account, I managed to recoup it. It has a limit of 2 minis. I managed to make it back to 51, actually up to profit 1,545. So overall, the thing that happened, I'm up $628 for the day. The BULENOX account suffered the daily loss limit. The My Funded Futures account is up 436. The first Apex account is up 678. The second Apex account is up 620. What the hell? I'm more in profit. Let me actually check it out. I should be doing more in profit or less. Let me check it. Plus 436 plus 678 plus how much is that? 628. Oh no, I'm actually up $610 for the day, but it's still cool. It's fine by me. It's absolutely fine. So that's what happened. I had to I have to dig myself out of the hole. That's what actually happened. I use a 250 EMA for reversal. Oh yeah. You're long? Bernard is long. Guys, better make sure what you're doing here because Powell is going to speak. When is he speaking? At 10 a.m. No. Oh, he's later on. Okay. 10 a.m. He's going to be on 10 a.m. So the market open is 45 minutes away. Don't do anything crazy. Don't do anything crazy. Because the market open is upon us. By the way, if you can help out the stream, please push the like, subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot to me. It gives me a lot of support to continue and a little bit of ad revenue. And also, if somebody is new here, guys, if you can support me, it's a free thing to do. If some of you guys would see some ads popping up if you don't have the ad blocker, you can also support me by watching the ads and not clicking over them because that gives more revenue to the stream. Thank you so much. And by the way, BULENOX still has the coupon codes. Let me check the coupons because it was a flash sale, so I don't even know what's happening. Let me check the flash sale real quick at BULENOX. BULENOX. They still have it on, I think. Yeah, the codes are still working. The cheapest upfront cost, 90% off. For a 50K account, you can get to pay $17.50. I think that's the cheapest account you can get. Yeah, there's going to be a very, very wild swing at Powell. So brace yourself. Brace for impact when Powell is going to speak. So, yeah. So this BULENOX sale is a flash sale. I don't know how long are they going to keep the code alive. They are changing it every day. And 90% is a real good deal. But Apex is also good, and if you're brand new with TOPSTEP, then yeah, indicators. These indicators are exponential moving average and RSI. So nothing special, but I have a custom indicator. I can show it to you guys. This is at MetaTrader. If you want to access my 50-minute mini course with the indicators for MetaTrader and the exact entry model that I use, then you can go to pip.ninja. It's $49, lifetime access to Discord, entry setups, trade entries, everything else, indicators, entry model, everything. So this is an exponential moving average and the custom programmed RSI down there, and custom exponential moving average too. That's what I'm using. But this is the nearest thing I could put on TradingView. So EMA and RSI, that's it. You're right, the market opening I took off and it's going off. That's what I'm saying. I mean, you should not trade. I mean, if you're not in a position like 20 or 30 minutes before the market open, you should not be opening a new position, because you know it's extra risk. Don't put yourself into extra risk, because why should you, right? No, not this one. I want to check something real quick. So let me know what you guys are up to. What kind of entries are you looking for, or targets? I'm curious if anybody has some ideas. Let me know. Doing some calculations. Okay, all right. Let me know what you guys are up to. Oh man. Yeah, $610 up. Sorry, $610. I miscalculated. $610, which is extremely good for me. Like surviving a day like this, wow. I am absolutely fine. Micro and mini lots in future confuse me. That's why I stick. Oh yeah. I mean, it doesn't really confuse me. It was a human error on my end. I didn't check twice my my trade, my chart actually. So it was, and then everything got loose. Everything got loose after that. The parameters of RSI. The RSI is the length is 13. The signal line is at 10. That's it. So 13 and 10. But I'm always playing with these numbers, so this is not that accurate because it's not close to the custom program. This work differently, but I use the 13 for now as the length of the EMA, and the smooth line is the signal line is 10. That's all I can tell you. The EMA, I use the 180 and the 34 EMA for now, but I'm still, you know, changing these numbers, 180 and 34. This is, I mean, this is not mandatory, but you know, I'm basically just using these to be able to determine where the trend is going or where it should be going. So this is just for identifying trend. You're in longs, Greg. Okay. Let's see. I was not looking at that time. Yeah. What is Robert? Hey there. 18,153 buy side. Let's check it together. All right. 153. Could be. Could be. 153. Let's check it on the 5-minute before I can tell you exactly what I think. I would say we have a buy side around 145-ish. We have a swing structure there formed. So if it really wants to break through there, then it's 145. That doesn't mean it cannot go higher. We have fair value gap here. I know what you mean, but there's a swing point here on the 5-minute. Point of control, which is the congestion area here, is around from 130 to 45. So yeah, Bernard, what might be a good time to range to trade in London and New York? What might be a good time to range to trade? So you're asking what could be a good time for range trading in London and New York? I would say if you're looking for range trading or consolidation, that would be at the end of the London kill zone, which is after 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So from 5 a.m. Eastern Standard until 7 or 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there used to be some range. If that's what you're asking. What might be a good time range? If you're asking me the time range to trade, that is from 2 a.m. to 4 or 5 a.m. in London. So 2 a.m. to 4 or 5. And in New York, the problem with New York for me, the problem with New York is that we have too many news all around because every news comes out in the New York session, right? So that means the kill zone starts from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. But you cannot trade really if there are news at 8:30. How much do I pay for CME data? I pay like $8, I think. I think, you know, it's worth it. $8. It's not a big deal monthly, actually. So I pay more for Netflix or whatever. I think I have Showtime, whatever, I don't know. So I pay $8 for the CME data. So I think it's not a big deal. But I have a subscription with TradingView. So with the subscription, with the data, it's like $26 or $27, something like that with the subscription. So yes, actually overall I'm paying like $26, $27. Because if you don't pay for the TradingView subscription, if you have data from TradeAwait, your candles are going to be delayed 3 seconds. So it's going to be lagging. So you have to be a subscriber at TradingView for the candles not to lag. That's it. The afternoon is good from 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time all the way to the close, to 4 p.m. So the lunch hour from 11-ish a.m. to all the way to 1 p.m. is also, you know, it's lunch hour, so consolidation most likely. But from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. there should be, you know, the algo should be doing its thing again. So that's where you should be concentrating. Guys, what a day. Oh my god, what a day. I did stupid things today. I have to make a longer daily recap today so everyone would understand what I went through. Don't you get data? Yeah, you get data. If you subscribe through TradeAwait, you are going to get the data. But even though if you're not subscribed to TradingView, the CME data might be, I think is going to be delayed by 3 seconds. The candles are going to be printing every 3 seconds. So you're going to have data, but there's going to be a small lag in the candles. For example, if you open a brand new TradingView account and if you click on any Forex pair, you're going to see a 3 or 5 second lag while the candles are printing. The problem with that is if you're scalping and if you're trading on the lower time frames, then it's going to cause you a little bit of a headache to feel the market or see the candles printing out. So it prints differently when you're not subscribed to TradingView. There's going to be a lag, but you get the data actually. But I don't have TradeAwait futures. I mean, I don't have prop firm with TradeAwait right now. I have everything with Rhythmic connected together, copy trading. So yeah, everything has been connected with Rhythmic. So I need Quantower and NinjaTrader. I don't really want TradeAwait. Not that it's a bad platform, but I cannot copy trade between multiple platforms, multiple prop firms. And it's a little bit harder that way to manage multiple accounts. So the only option for me is Rhythmic for now. I can't even copy trade TOPSTEP X for now. Price gonna hit my TP. Nice. Let's see if the price push it a bit higher. I think the consequent encroachment should be pushing it over the 100 level. We should be seeing it push. I'm just eyeballing it to 103, 104 levels. They should push it. Or it should be pushed. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? Do we have any news until market open? No. We have Canadian news, so we have to wait for 10 a.m. The only thing that's left is the market open. So I would suggest not to open new positions until market open. Stay calm, stay cool. And I'm going to give prayers and gratitude to the universe that I did not just survive, I've actually made profit for today. So thank you, universe. My God, what a day this was. And again, try out the BULENOX codes because it's the last day, I think, because they're changing every single day. Otherwise, you can still pass the Apex accounts. In 3 days, I think. What a day. What a day. Okay. Checking. I use Quant Hour, Pikachu. I use Quant Hour. Because Quant Hour has a very easy system to connect multiple prop firm accounts, in my personal opinion. So I like it, and that's why I use it. I think it's user friendly. It's good. So yeah. I think it's all right. All right, let's see what's happening here. It's edging down a little bit. Let's see what else. Can you explain future firms to a guy who only been with Forex firms? What are the key differences and similarities? Key differences, you know, I'm not a super professional either. Last year I was also trading with Forex. And I know I'm not going to name the guy. There's one or two influencer trading guru out there on social media who said that it's impossible to transition to futures from Forex. Well, I can say this: if you were trading CFDs, it's basically the same, but at Forex prop firms, the spread is much worse and the conditions are worse. So similarities, I think it's basically everything is the same in terms of entry model and the concepts. If you're trading smart money concepts, ICT, whatever, support and resistance, everything works just the same. The main difference is that with the prop firms, you are not able to hold positions overnight. So if you're a swing trader in Forex, you're not going to make it here at the prop firms. I mean, at these prop firms, because they are closing positions every day after 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So no overnight positions. That's a key takeaway, a key difference. But overall, for day trading, for intraday trading, using lower time frames, or everything, charting, entry models, support, resistance, everything is the same. And in fact, it's better because by the law, they are regulated. So these markets are regulated, not like the Forex markets. Everybody has to see the same exact price to the tick. There's no manipulation, Forex prop firms and also brokerages, even the regulated brokerage firms are heavily manipulating Forex prices with 1 or 2 pips or whatever. They are widening the spread. Here, it's different. Everybody sees the same exact tick by the law. So that's a very good thing, in my opinion. So it's really a gentleman's market compared to Forex. But the real Wild West is, of course, crypto. But I'm not trading crypto, which I'm not saying you can't trade crypto, but I don't care about it. But I think futures is a much more cleaner, much more sophisticated, much more... Everything is much more... it's like when you trade futures as a day trader, I think it's like really, like they said in The Matrix, it's like wiping your ass with silk. compared to trade on a Forex prop firm. That's it. I trade 1 to 2 on 1 minute. Is the trading yeah, that's what he said. That's what I said. That's not just ICT. I think who said it? Somebody else said it too. Not just ICT. I don't know the name. Anyway, it's not. It's a common saying that they say the futures market is gentleman's market. But yes, ICT said it also. I know that. Compared to Forex, there's not that kind of a, I'm sure there is manipulation, but you know, not that kind of what's happening in the Forex markets, especially with all that crazy platforms. Now that MetaCodes actually pulled the rug under from the prop firms, many of the prop firms, all these other platforms for Forex, I don't know. I actually have no big issue with MetaTrader. I think it should be, it is a good platform. And actually M Futures, where I have a personal account, M Futures is using MetaTrader 5, and it's works superb. It's great. It's great for futures. So I have no issue, no problem with MetaTrader. But for these prop firms, we are, you know, we have to go with Quantower, NinjaTrader, which are also good, but everything depends on the connection, you know. Is the drawdown in future firms are really bad? Drawdown? Well, you know, they have a daily drawdown limit. It's not that bad. You just have to adapt to it. The intraday trailing is not that bad if you're trading small, you know, so you can handle it. And there are end of day trailing, which is a little bit better, but again, personal preference. You can adapt to it. It's not that big a deal. I have no issue with the trading stop, and actually it locks in. As soon as you made like $2,100 or whatever, it differs every prop firm, it locks in. So on a 50K account, it locks in. So on a 150K account, it's like $4,500-ish. Then it locks in. So it's fine. The goal is not to make $2,000 or whatever. The goal is to make more. So it's going to lock in to a static loss, and that's it. I don't have problem with that. Actually, it's a little bit forcing the trader to use better risk management. So I have no issue with that. Does Apex has end of day trailing? Not right now, I think. They have a static account, but the drawdown is very small there. And also I think you can only go with one contract, which is, or two, I don't know. Anyway, the drawdown is not too much, like a few $100s, I think. So it's not too good. End of day trailing, BULENOX has option 2 accounts have end of day trailing drawdown, and my funded futures has end of day drawdown as well. But Apex and BULENOX option 1 accounts have intraday. But again, there is no problem with intraday trailing if you're trading small. You should not be, if you're going for base hits, not for 1 to 5R and stuff like that, and you're not oversizing, you should be completely fine with intraday. Hi Dave. Nas dropped like crazy yesterday, maybe due to social network. I don't see the the relation between those two. I don't think so. Or anyone thinks that it's not a bad question, but I don't think it has to do anything with Facebook down and Instagram down. It happened before. It happened I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 years before. I don't know. At least for a few hours, the world got to be a better place, right? For a few hours, people were not logging in. They were closing their phones and they were looking around in the real world. For a few hours, the world got to be a better place. So I'm on social media too, so I speak against myself, but I don't think it has to do. Yeah, Royce, there you go. Royce said it. Just trade micro. Is BULENOX worth it? Of course it's worth it, Greg. I love BULENOX. I love them. They are a great company. We have people here who are having payouts. I did not have a payout yet from BULENOX, so I'm after today I'm gonna have a longer journey with BULENOX, but I did not have a payout with them yet. But their client support is good. They're answering questions. Very simple rules, simple to adapt. They're doing business since quite a while. I have no intention to believe that they're doing something shady or bad, especially because they're using a regulated market. So, you know, they have to go with some license from the CFTC or SEC. Although I'm not an expert in this, but I'm guessing they have to go with some kind of a license. Every US-based futures prop firm has to have some kind of a license from CFTC and or SEC, but I am not sure. If somebody knows this better, let me know. But last time, that's what I heard. So I have no issue with BULENOX, absolutely. And I really hope that they can keep this on. They're doing some good flash sales. Grab the accounts. The cheapest upfront cost today is definitely at BULENOX. So back to the old day. There you go, Dave. Yeah. So no problem with BULENOX. Okay, he looks smart. What's up with that? Black Beauty Machine. I like your name. I like your name. Okay, he looks smart. Is that some kind of approval? Seal of approval? Okay, that this guy knows something. No, I'm not smart. Zibia has the smooth trend this morning. 500. Oh, nice. Awesome. Black Beauty Machine, thank you so much for the subscription. And welcome to the channel. Awesome. Let me give you an applause. A welcoming applause. If anybody subscribed, I'm sorry if you don't, you know, get the ring or the bell, because some YouTube accounts are private, so Streamlabs cannot notify me. But if anybody is new and wants to text in, just let me know and I can give you a shout out and an applause. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome, welcome. And so yeah, we're waiting for market open, guys. If you're not in a position, do not open anything right now. Do not open anything. We're inside this 1 hour fair value gap. If you're going to trade through this, then we're definitely going higher. It looks like NAS is gonna go down. Do you think so? I see the opposite. I see NAS is going to go up. And I'm gonna call this level out right now, but it's not financial advice, so please do not take it. This is strictly for entertainment. I'm gonna call this buy side liquidity at 145. That's what I think. Buy side liquidity at 145. What always have to happen, of course. I mean, we'll see. I think Powell, when Powell starts to speak, everything is gonna be. I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen when Powell starts to speak. Okay. Nasdaq 90%. Okay, we have a confirmation. 90% is 90% sell. Okay. You're in longs. Let's see. This is not financial advice. So when Powell will start to speak, this is what's going to happen. So this is when he starts to speak. This is Powell's speech. I just outlined everything to you. This is Powell. This is good old Powell. Do we have a better picture of him? Do we have... Oh, this is a better picture. You're gonna like this. This is Powell's speech. So this is my analysis when Powell starts to speak. I guess we'll see. Let's see, yeah. Stop long traders, stop short trades, and then sideways for the rest of the day. Yeah. This is what's gonna happen here. Just saying. Just saying. Get prepared for this. Actually, it's going to start. When is it going to? Okay, it's starting here. So yeah. Just a few more points. All right. Well, you know, if I were you and you do what you want, I would put that trade down before the 3:30. Sorry, 9:30 is 3:30 for me. Before the 9:30 market open, I would close it, but it's up to you. It's up to you. Maybe it will hit the 100. Maybe it will spike over the 100. Who knows? What did I just walk into? Yeah. That's what happens, Grim Trades. This is why London session. No Powell crap. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Because that's what he's gonna do with the market. I'm just preparing you guys what we can expect after he start to speak. Again, it's your decision what you do, Greg. Let me grab a drink, guys, and I'll be right back. Please do not go anywhere. Please push the like buttons, and I'll be right back in a minute or two before the market open. Don't worry, guys. All right, they're here. What's happening? What is happening? Markets are about to open. Okay, so far everything is clean. Let me delete Powell. Okay, so we'll see if we're gonna get through this or not. So by the way, I can also open a chart here for you guys. Let's go with an Apex account. NQ. Okay. Template. No, not this one. Template. This one. Okay. So this way you guys will see how candles are printing a little bit better, actually. All right, let me put this here and here. Now it still has to move a little bit here. How about this? Okay, getting better. Okay. Okay, this way you guys see the price too. Nice. All right. Oh, look at that. It's going up. It's going up. If I don't have to worry about spreads, then I can be really better. Of course, spreads are way better. So as you can see, the candles are printing way better with this than on TradeAwait. Than on TradingView. You can actually feel them a little bit better. So it's cleaner. It's actually clean. We can do stop limit orders. Yeah, of course you can. Yes, you can do stop orders. Absolutely. Absolutely, you're welcome to do those. Guys, register to my funded futures. It's really worth it. I'm just saying, because the true cost is really the best there. Or grab your discount accounts from BULENOX, because 90% flash sale, it's like wow. It's like a really good move from BULENOX. But Apex is just as good. I have no issues with them. They are great. But if you want TOPSTEP, you can still get the 20% discount. Then you should consider to close it. I don't know. Market is opening in 45 seconds. Of course, it can skyrocket from here. We don't know, or it can just tank like crazy. That's why I don't like to be in a trade. There's gonna be an opening bell, so everyone cover your ears. It's serious. Cover your ears because it's gonna be super loud. So the opening bell is gonna be very, very loud. Turn down your volume for a few seconds. It's gonna happen. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, market is open for business. TP hit, nice, 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 nice. Greg, congratulations. Huge applause for having the nerves to hold the trade to the market open. Nice. Congrats again. Guys, I'm gonna start Spotify. Listen to some music. You know. Let's listen to some progressive house or something. I don't know. What do we have? We have deep house. I'm not really. All right, so market is still undecided what to do. Hovering here. Going up there to the 20s, almost to the 30s. Hard to tell. Do they want to drop it? We have buy side at 145. I think it can go there. I think it has the chance to go there. But we need some confirmation more. I'm gonna switch to my funded futures competition account. There. Target is 45. If it wants to go there. All right. I'm in a buy position. It's a competition account, so don't worry about it. One contract. My TP is up there. 144.50 is my TP. I have no stop loss on. Actually, I'm going to put a hard stop down there. The option 1 account has the biggest discount. That's the intraday trailing stop. So that's the 90% sale right now. Basically the same as Apex. The option 1 account, that's the intraday. The option 2 is the end of day trailing stop. That's the main difference. That's the main thing you have to focus. So that's why I'm saying right now the option 1 accounts with BULENOX are actually cheaper than Apex. Oh no. This one's gonna take me out. They're sending it lower. No. It's gonna take me out. It's a competition account. It's already down, don't worry. I'm down like 10% after today, so it's a risk-free account, so kind of like a practice account for me right now. So it's just scalp. Oh no, it's gonna take me out. It's gonna take it out. Unfortunate. Yeah, I'm out. It looks like they could be going back down there before to the news event, or taking out the lows at 83. I don't know. Let's enter a sell. As I said, it's just a competition account. Damn it, if they're sending it back up there, I have to reverse this position then. They're still keeping it there. Come on, I need to listen to some better music than this. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Oh no, you guys can hear it. I'm gonna have a copyright strike here. Let's see. Do they want to send it down to before the news or not? Maybe not. Come on. I think it should tank now, down to 54. Hey, Papa Knows. Here's to stay profitable. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Absolutely, I agree. Powell is going to, yeah. I have a buy setup right now. I don't think I should take it. I don't think so as well. Powell is going to mess with everybody. He's going to mess with everybody right now. Oh no, it's coming against me now. Maybe I should close it. I'm not even surprised on this one. That's why you always need a clear trading plan, because I'm just... So if anyone joins in, this is not a real account. Of course, none of them are real, but this is just a competition account. I'm already down, so this is not my evaluations or funded account. This is an absolute risk-free account, like a demo. Okay, they're not looking to send it down. I thought they will. They might going to send it higher. I wouldn't be surprised. Oh yeah, okay, I cannot reverse it. I can't. But I can close position, I think. Okay, I can. Alright. I have no drawdown limit on this account, by the way. So I can put it all the way up to 45 if I want to. I'm just messing around with this. Let's see what's going on here. So buy side is at 145. If it really wants to go up there, well, I don't know. Previous day high is still way up. Oh yeah. Quite some distance to go from here. Oh, look at that. It's going down again. Anyway, waiting for some kind of a setup here to form. But it would be smart to wait until Powell is finishing up with his speech. All right. Well, I'm still aiming for that 145 level. Yeah, we're still above the 100 level. It feels like they want to push it higher, but I'm not sure what they want to do here. Push it to 145 maybe. $109. Okay. Okay, down to 6. Acting up weird, to be honest. At least I think everybody's waiting for Powell. Nothing to do until then. So oh, look at that. Now it's going down again. That's the problem when somebody is going to speak from the Fed. Wow. Seems like they really want something to... Okay, never mind. Alright, let me write something here. Okay. What are you guys doing? Because it's pretty boring until Powell starts to speak. No trades. Just watching paint dry, guys. There's nothing else to do at this moment. They might be pushing this down to, yeah. Damn it, I have to flat this one out. All right. Let me close this, okay. Oh yeah, it's dropping like crazy. Should be taking out this low here. 54 is 10 points. It can do easily before the, yeah, pre-news. Pre-news. Should do it. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. It's only 10 points. It should do it. Still there. Going back to the 70s. Wow. What a move. What a move. Yeah, just being patient. I'm actually not entering or not in any trade. The previous one was basically a competition account. I messed it up already, so it's just for demo practicing for me right now. I'm happy that I made profits after the massacre that happened to me before the New York session. So I'm quite happy. I'm actually a happy camper. I'm a very, very happy camper right now. I'm super happy. We should not be entering any position at this point. Check out the discounts until then. Register to my funded futures also. The best cost-effective platform. All right, there you go. Almost breaking that low. Almost breaking that low. Not yet. Come on. Just a little bit more. I'm not in a position, I'm I'm just curious if they're gonna go down this to this wick here. There is some liquidity below that, that's for sure. Yeah, it's going down. Should be taking it out. 54. Should take out the 54. Only a few points. Still up there. I'm surprised it didn't go through the low here. At least with the spiky spike. Very interesting though. There you go. No. It's not doing it. It's not doing it, guys. There you go. Just checked into methodical man stream. All right. Oh wow, look at that. It's going down. It's still going down. Yeah. I am. Let's see what's happening. We have a swing low at 34. Yeah, the swing is 34. I don't know if we're gonna go down there straight right now, but actually we could. 37 is right down there. Good for a stab down. There you go. There you go. No, I'm not. I'm not in anything, Manin. Thanks for dropping by. I'm absolutely not in any trade. We're waiting for a Powell speech. So no. I'm just looking at this if this one is gonna take out the 35 or not. I wonder if they want to take out this swing low. So it's the waiting game, guys. As soon as Powell starts to speak, all hell is gonna break loose. Small fair value gap. It can drop from here if they want to drop it. I think they can. 10 points, easy. But it's very dangerous to short here. But it has every chance to go down to 35. 1 minute. Yeah, look at that. They're pushing it. No, they're not. But if you see this 1 minute gap here, small gap, reacted to that gap. Look at that. Had a reaction. Now they just want to push it down here. Should be taking out 34.50. I don't know. Depends on what Powell is gonna say. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. What the hell is happening? Boom. 30 points in a second. Boom. Is Powell speaking? Let me check. We should be having a link. No, that's not interested. Let me search for it. Okay, is this the one? Jerome Powell testimony. Okay, so this is the one that should be happening soon. Still no information. Almost took out this low at 09. Okay, he's still not on. All right. Let's see. I don't know what the hell that was. I have no idea. Kind of manipulation or something. I don't know. Powell is still not talking. No. He's not talking yet. No, that's not it. He's going to talk soon. Should be starting soon. It's gonna take out the 09 until we're waiting. Trust me. Going for the 09. We have a swing here. Right there. It's gonna take it out. It's at 09. 10 points. Easy. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, guys. One spike down. And it's out. Powell is still not talking. I'm telling you, it's taking it out. 09 is going to be out before the speech. Price is jumping like 10 points up and down like every second. That's crazy if you think about it. ES is dropping. Should be going down to 5100. Whoa, we just took out 09. What the hell is going on? Look at this. What the hell is going on? Our next stop is 17,970. Next stop. $25 more points and we're taking out the daily low. Actually, now it's just 25 points. And Powell is not even speaking. It's not even speaking. All right. They're starting. So we'll see if they will give it to Powell. Look at that. We're taking out the lows here. 68. We dropped like 131. Yeah, we dropped 150 points before he started the stick. He's not even said a word yet. That is some influence, right? Still not talking. There you go. 68 is gonna get taken out. What a drop. All right, 68 got taken out. Nice. By the way, all I can tell you guys is stack up with a few BULENOX account. Who knows how long this sale is gonna. And even if you blow the accounts, you should keep them. Stack it up for this price. You won't get it. You know, not even Apex can give you this cheap right now. Easy. I'm listening to Barry White, Love Ain't Easy. Powell is not even speaking. Yeah. Was short. Move to break even. Nice. Papa knows 22. Nice. You're planning to buy, Greg? Be careful. Be very, very careful. We have sell side liquidity here and down here. Who knows what's gonna happen? And Powell is not even talking right now. So they can just dump it through all this. This was just a backtest rally up there. And just boom, dump it again. Let Powell cook. Stack up with a few evals, guys. Yeah, buy some accounts. Use my code Greg. You know what the drill. Actually, if you want cost effective with no activation fee, go with my funded futures. But if you want the cheapest one today, go with BULENOX. Or you can go with TOPSTEP or Apex. Really. I was saying I am planning to buy the account. Not okay. Then buy it, man. You know what? Buy it. Not really. It's a good deal, but other ones are good as well. Still not talking, Powell. Did they share an info like my name? No, absolutely nothing. Nothing. If somebody buys with the code any of these prop firms, I don't see any name or anything. I just see the number changing, that one more. That's it. So I don't see anything. Don't worry about that. I don't even see what type of account you buy. I just see the commission rising a little bit, a few dollars here and there. So that's all I see. Powell is still not talking. Let's wait until Powell starts to speak. Okay, still not on. And the market goes crazy. And that's what I was talking about. It's already past 10 a.m. and this is gonna go until 11 or 11:30. Totally untradeable conditions. Best case scenario, you guys, I mean, you should be checking the market at the PM session, maybe, because the thing that's gonna happen now is gonna be pure gambling. Oh, Reddy, hey there. Thank you so much. I purchased an account with your code. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you. You are. Thank you. Huge applause. Thank you for the support. That really supports the stream, Reddy. Thank you so much. May I ask which prop firm? It was BULENOX? Was it BULENOX or Apex? Or maybe my funded futures, whichever you like. Thank you so much, Reddy. Thank you. Few dollars here and there goes to the tip jar, helps the stream. Thank you. Sun is going down. It's A little bit cloudy here. Yeah, too much foreplay. It doesn't really want to add right now too much. Everybody else is speaking, but not him. Yeah, BULENOX. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Much appreciated. Thank you so much. And by the way, if for some unforeseeable reasons or unfortunate reasons, you would blow the account, I suggest you keep the subscription, because next month you're guaranteed to be rebuilt with the same discounted price. So I have noticed that drawdown to profit target is way better. Well, it's all mathematics, you know. It depends on how can you manage your risk. But then again, you can make you have a bigger range to make profits with more contracts, bigger positions, you know. Your advantage is a little bit bigger on that way on the 100K account. But yeah, mathematically speaking, yes. Thank you again. Ciao, ciao, bambina. Still not talking. We see a classic reversal by ICT here. Gonna be interesting. Still not Powell. It's gonna be excellent. Powell is gonna have so many things to answer to. Still not talking. Seven contracts for 5K and 12 contracts for 10K. Looks like. Yeah, mathematically yes, but again, you know, your daily limit. Well, you know, it's depending on where you're seeing it, but yes, 50Ks are mathematically better, but again, you have a little bit bigger room to play on a 100K account. Basically, that's it. But yeah, absolutely, I get it. He's still not talking. 17 minutes passed and Powell is still not saying a word. By the way, guys, just saying, this is going to be a classic ICT entry right here. 1 to 2 right up there. Good TP levels. If you can get triggered here. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry. Let's go.
Above the FOMC's objective of 2%, it has eased substantially, and the slowing in inflation has occurred without a significant increase in unemployment. As the labor market tightness has eased and progress on inflation has continued, the risks to achieving our employment and inflation goals have been moving into better balance.
Oh, yeah.
Even so, the committee remains highly attentive to inflation risks and is acutely aware that high inflation imposes significant hardship, especially on those least able to meet the higher costs of essentials like food, housing, and transportation. The FOMC is strongly committed to returning inflation to its 2% objective. Restoring price stability
by the way,
is
here's the link.
to achieve a sustained period of strong
I might going to mute this because of the monetization. I don't know. But I might going to mute the speech for you guys in case it would affect the monetization of the channel, because it's from another creator, which is a different YouTube channel. So I should not be sharing another YouTube channel's content. That's against the rules of YouTube. But you know, it only matters when you're monetized. So technically I cannot share other YouTube channels content because it's against monetization rules. So, but that's the link. You can watch it. I'm listening in. I just turned down the audio for you guys. All right, let's see. Uh, 5 days. Yeah. It's not that super hard. Very simple, you know. I mean, yeah. That's like kind of an industry standard. I know there are some places that you can. So Apex used to do the 1 day pass. Now they are doing the 3 day pass. But 5 days is not that ridiculous, I think. So yeah, 5 days is okay. I think it's manageable. Okay, look at this. I keep trying to catch swing short on gold and non-futures account. Maybe this is the day. Swing short. Well, you know, maybe you can go down here. Yeah. So 5 days is okay. I think it's kind of a standard. All right. Still talking. Oh, hey, Greg, superb. Well, you know, if you want to try out multiple prop firms, I suggest you should go with Quantower. That's what I would do if I were you. So, because you know, if you want to copy trade between multiple prop firms, that's the most simplest way to use Quantower. NinjaTrader is good too. It's a little bit older platform. I like NinjaTrader, but you know, Quantower, I think it's a little bit more modern. So go with that. I think, but you know, NinjaTrader is just as good. Thank you so much again, by the way. Let me give you a proper applause for using my code. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Greg. You are awesome. Thank you. Oh yeah, sure. Sure, I can link one tower. There you go. Let's see what happens. No, no, no. No. It's impossible because... Hold on, let me check it. On my end, because I bought an account for 43 bucks, the recurring month is also 43.75. Let me check something real quick. Give me a second. Give me a second here. Hold on. Just give me a second. ST5C. 5C. Okay. Okay. Hold on. For me, I know I just got rebuild, but of course that was a previous sale, and I got the same rebuild that I was purchased. Hold on. Generate rules. Okay, next. Let me check it. Checking it now. That's interesting. In your mail, it says it. Because when I purchase it, there is nothing indicating that. That's quite odd. That's kind of odd. I'm gonna send a message to support about this because I got rebuild again with the same discounted price. Hold on. I don't get it. I'm gonna send the message. I cannot. I have to check it with them. It's a little bit frustrating right now. I feel a little bit. I'm sweating now. I'm gonna submit the ticket. I'm gonna have to write a mail, a message to them. Look, I snap what? Bro, it will fall to 9:45. It could. GD, hey there. Greg, I'm going to send a message to BULENOX, okay? I'm just writing them a message right now. Okay, I'm going to ask the current sale that goes 90% off from option 1 accounts. Is it only for first month or is it for recurring months as well? Okay, I just submitted the ticket. I hope that they answering real soon, like right now, maybe. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, Greg. Of course you can. Of course you can cancel it. Absolutely. Of course you can cancel it, Greg. If you go to your dashboard, there is a cancel button right there. But I think you do not cancel until then maybe you will not be able to reactivate it. So okay. So I wrote to them. You sold at 18.1. Okay. Well, it could. It could. This was just a classic entry here. Hey, Greg, don't look at the way like that. You should be fine. I just sent a ticket to them. They should be answering real soon. Okay, still hovering around here. But you know, even the worst case scenario, if you just stack up a few accounts with this price and you're going with higher risk, you know, if you buy a few accounts in these discounted prices, you just can, you know, worst case scenario, you go with higher contracts. And I'm not saying you should YOLO it, but if you know what you're doing, you can get funded real quick. So, yo Naga, hey there, how you doing, man? Yeah, gold is all-time high. I was just watching it on my other screen. No, it's not it. There you go. Look at it. Buy side liquidity was at 21.46. Went up there nicely. What a move, right? What a move. What do you think of... I have no freaking idea. I think it's gonna continue higher. That's what I think. But I have absolutely no idea. I think it's gonna go even higher to the 22s. That's what I would say. But really no idea. So that will be interesting. Okay, let's see. Wait for daily close bearish. Yeah, right now just watch it right now until Powell is gonna speak. Actually, I'm gonna close down the speech. I'm not really interested in that much. So how do you find your Rhythmic server? Right now it's okay. Oh yeah, your Rhythmic server. Sorry, I misunderstood. The Rhythmic server. It's easy. I can actually set it. There's a guide. Actually, Methodical Man did a guide about that too. Let me. So. If you want to connect to BULENOX, hold on. Let me check my email because there should be an email regarding the account details. Just a second, and I'm going to tell you just a second. Just a second. What to look for. No. Okay, BULENOX. So when you log into your dashboard at BULENOX, go to your dashboard and you should be seeing your Rhythmic account details. It should be saying your username and your password. And after you got that, no, you didn't miss anything there. But there, Zoltan, check out the daily recap video. It's gonna be crazy. I promise you that. It's gonna be real crazy. So after you done that, log into your dashboard BULENOX, and after you have to add a connection. So like go to M Futures here, search for connections, go to M Futures, select M Futures and push the plus sign, and here put in your username that you see on your dashboard on BULENOX. So username, password, and for server you can choose the M Futures. No, sorry. Actually, you don't need M Futures because it's gonna be, sorry, BULENOX Chicago area. There you go. So BULENOX Chicago area. Or if that doesn't work, you can go with Rhythmic Paper Trading. I'm not sure which one. Rhythmic Paper Trading, Chicago area. One of these two. I think Rhythmic Paper Trading or the BULENOX. One of these two. And there you go. You just connect. That's how simple it is. That's how simple. So you should be fine. So, Zoltan, what I can tell you is that I went down to the daily loss limit with the BULENOX account. I hit the daily loss limit today. That's why I'm saying that this will be very exciting. But the overall results are gonna be okay. Ah, don't worry about that. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's fine. It's fine. As I said, if you're gonna check the daily recap, you're gonna see what happened. And I was copy trading the account. So guess what? If the BULENOX account hit the daily stop, what happened to the other accounts? So stay tuned for the daily recap. It's gonna be awesome. I can promise you that the daily recap video is gonna be a real crazy. Real crazy. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna do the video. So stack up with some of these option 1 accounts if you can, until you can use the code, because you know. Yeah, check it out. There's gonna be a surprise in there. Actually, not a surprise, but the overall things that happened, you will see what happened. I'm gonna explain. This is gonna be interesting. And put a like on the video if you can later on. And by the way, if anyone is liking the stream, please push the like, subscribe to the channel. And guys, the huge sale, flash sale is going on. BULENOX, I just sent a mail to support. So I was looking for ICT in Robin's leaderboard, but I guess he's still sharpening the axe. Yeah, I think so. I think so. He does. So I just emailed the support to ask what's up after the first month, because it seems like there could be some kind of a misunderstanding after the first month. I thought that the recurring month are going to go with the same discount as well, or at least with an 80% discount. That's how Apex used to do it. And I was preaching it the whole day, that how great BULENOX is, because I had almost a similar sale on my account and I got rebilled on the same price. So that was good. Right now, it seems like they might be rebilling on the regular price, which is okay, I guess. I mean, if you can do it in a month. But for the second month, you have to be careful if you want to pay for the fee again with a much higher price. So I still have no answer, but I think they will I will update you guys. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. But still, if you grab a few accounts, you can still crash it. All right. So guys, I don't think I'm gonna do more trades. The AM session is almost gone, and I don't want to trade the PM session. So thank you so much for being here with me and watching and liking the stream and, you know, subscribing. Use the codes. Subscribe, support the stream. Have an awesome morning or evening. I'm going to be coming back in the London session just as well as I used to. And watch out for the daily recap video. It's going to be very interesting, and push a like on that video. It's going to be really, really interesting. And guys, I'm happy that I'm over this day. So love you all. Thank you for all the chat, or everyone for using my code. What can I say? It was a challenging day for me, but watch the recap video. I'm gonna try to upload it in an hour or something. It's gonna be really interesting how I went down on the account. So hey, Greg, again, the connection is real simple. All you have to do real quick there, just go to this menu here on connections, find AMP futures, hit the plus button, and like this, type in the username and password from your BULENOX dashboard and choose Rhythmic Paper Trading or BULENOX, I don't know, one of them, and connect. That's how simple it is with Quantower. All right. Okay. So anyway, see you guys. And have a good one, everyone, and thank you for being here. Cheers, and what can I say? It was a challenging day. It was a challenging day. Okay, see you guys. Have a good one. Greg, if you're still here, I just want to say then try to connect not with AMP futures but with Rhythmic Paper Trading. Don't choose AMP, choose Rhythmic Paper Trading. Anyway, that's it.